Hi famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Most importantly, watch those ads. To our new subscribers, thank you very much and may God bless you for doing the good deeds, okay? Yes, today, child, today we're going to have fun. We're going to cook a goat meat slaughtered from the rural areas. My mom brought me a goat meat slaughtered from the rural areas. Not the one that they inject from, this one is fresh from the, from your backyard. I don't know. Yes, so I had to take it out from the refrigerator, put it outside because I didn't even want the microwave to tamper with it. So I wanted it to be naturally, be melted naturally by the sun, okay? Come together, let's cook this goat meat, okay? Nama booty. In my language, we call it nama booty. Nama booty, okay? First of all, wash it because in this house, we are so obsessed with washing. We're going to wash our meat because you can never trust anybody, okay? And this meat was back in it comes from the rural areas, all right? Yes, so she went to see her relatives and she was like, yeah, I'm going to come back with the real goat meat. And at this point, I feel like I'm detaching from, actually, personally, I want to eat organic food. Like, I'm up to here with any food that according to me and in my head, I feel like I'm at a point where I just want to eat anything organic. Be your vegetables organic, your meat organic. Like, can I just grow my own chickens? Can I just grow my own goats? Can I just grow my own sheeps? Because this meat tasted differently. Guys. If you have livestock at your home, or your uncle, or your uncle knows his other uncles, his friend, his best friend, whatsoever, please let them one day slaughter you a goat, a sheep, or what, and cook it. You will actually taste the difference that I'm talking about. After eating this goat, I was like, I don't want any other meat. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share it, okay? In between, please watch those ads. After washing it, today I'm cooking with them. We have improved. No, I've always had this pan. The problem is that I put it where usually, okay, the problem about me is that if I put things far away from me, I tend to forget that I have this type of resources. I mean, I don't even know what they call it, but they bought me as a present some years ago, I think 4 years back, and I hardly use it because it's not in my visibility. So I forgot, and later today I was like, I have this pen, electric pen. I don't know what we call it. Please comment down below what this thing is. One thing about me, as long as it's working, I'm not even gonna bother to know whether it is a pen, a sauce pen. I could say sauce pani, I don't know. As long as it's doing the deeds, I'm literally okay. Put enough water and stock beef. Now today we are going to use, sorry about that, somebody was calling me. So I'm using beef stock. Reason being, it's not chicken. Remember, chicken is white in color. This one is a bit darker. So we don't have a problem with using a darker beef stock. It's not going to look like a poison because already the meat is dark. You understand where we use beef stock? Make sure that I owned this thing. I don't know what is it. You can still use your sauce, your normal pot, your normal pan, but then under this normal circumstances, because I knew this meat was fresh from the rural areas, I had to use this pan. I didn't have time to use a stove. Okay, fast forward, minutes later, it is doing the deeds. It is doing the deeds. The same way when we are in that new relationship and you see that the guy, I'm on top of the world. So the same things happen in the meat. Look at the water. Look at our water. It's coming all right. The meat is coming all right. You see a little bit of ribs there. And then you leave it Come back again. Make sure that you add more water, okay? Make more water. One thing about meat, not chicken, about meat, make sure that it becomes soft and tender. You see? So basically, I put another jar of water and more, what is this, beef stock, because the salt was not enough. So I actually discovered later that I wasn't even recording. Hence, I showed you the paper. What is this? Yeah, something like that. And the meat at this point was still a little bit harder. Then I was like, girl, you go back and do the proper things, okay? I placed it back. And after some few hours, because it takes long, you need to have the patience. I started to fry it a little bit with a little bit of cooking oil. You know, in this house, we do what? We don't want cholesterol, okay? While I'm talking, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. It's December time. We are coming to festive. You better watch this channel because you ain't gonna cook rubbish. Okay, there by your in-laws, there by your boyfriend, there by your partners, what. You need to check this out, okay? Now, I wanted it to taste traditionally like it. Of course, I took a taste. Taste is taste is the best thing to do. Chopped onion off camera, bring it back. I didn't want it to be modified. I wanted it to taste rural kind of, taste. I want it to be homemade, like gives back childhood memories, you understand? So I wanted it to be to give me childhood memory type of a taste, which it did. So beef stock and onion was the best. Nothing. Please do not add your packet soup. What is this? Your minestrone or what? Don't do that. You're gonna ruin everything. A little bit of Vuravel sauce. I think it's a Vuravel sauce because we don't advertise brands. Of course, you know it by now. We are not being compensated. So, and then make sure that you reduce your heat. You know, in this house, if you want to be a best cook, always reduce your heat, especially when you're doing the frying, okay? Make sure that it blends together. Onion, a little bit of cooking oil, a Vuravel, and it came out all right. All right, I did put a little bit of water to make it or a soap or like one. There's a little bit of soup there, and then of course it was nice, perfect, simple, nothing much. Of course, I was anxious because it was for the first time I'm cooking goat meat fresh from home, not from the shop. So you'll get a little bit of palpitation. Of course, I did my fried carrots on the other side as a side. Remember to always try, by all means, to balance your diet. Starch, protein, and veggies, okay? You can still use your carrots as veggies. In that sense, we are done. Thank you for watching, famies. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. I pray that you become well. I pray for your protection. Cover your children if you have, your hands if you're a business person or you're in corporate. May God bless you. And until we meet again, I love you, famies. Keep on watching. Remember to do not skip those ads. Bye.